It's a bit of a blustery day today in Toronto. Kind of the perfect day to start doing cold opens. I am getting absolutely tired of this quality control from Haunted Castle Gaming, or as I like to call it, lack of quality control, because there's absolutely zero care about what goes into the product. For example, I was opening my box topper yesterday and I came across this card backwards. That's right, the rest were facing this way. This one was facing the other way around. So that, first of all, like, come on. That's the simplest thing. There's an obvious front and a back to a card. Like, give me a break. Then, though, I look at this when I flip it around, and look at that. Look at that misprint. There's a giant black smudge across the front of it. Like, seriously, what the heck? Could they not notice this in production? That there was a big black smudge that kind of, squiggles like this and looks a bit like a... Actually, looks an awful lot like a signature. I'm actually pretty confident that's a Sid signature. Huh. Well then.